Today we are placed in Swedish Agro Machinery's biggest warehouse. This is a warehouse for the agricultural machines in Sweden and also Norway today. So we are delivering spare parts to all the agricultural machines in these two countries. We have two LOGIMATs here in this warehouse. These contains around about 16,000 parts today. The combines are really big, and the grain head of the front of the combine is 9 meters wide, and these parts are 9 meters long. So we need really big places to store these parts. And we really need, I think, 10 different ways of storing different spare parts. We have found everything we need from SSI SCHAEFER. The cooperation between Swedish Agro and SSI SCHAEFER couldn't been better, I must say. Everything has been just in time and set up exactly as we have been talking about in advance.